Okay, hi Julian. I hope you're doing well. So I finished the application and I will I will share with you how it works with this small demonstration video. So let's get right into it. So I have this column I, where the email addresses will be inserted, and currently, okay, here is the spreadsheet you shared with me, and I have some email addresses here. Those are mine, and I want to do the test with it. So currently, as you can see, there is no editor with whom this spreadsheet is shared with. So I will use this first email address and I'll insert it here. As you can see here, there is no this notification file shared successfully, and you can notice here that the email address has been inserted as Simeon Joseph Mondiapolis, and I will do the same thing for the second email address also. You can type it, but in order to go quickly, I just paste it so it has been inserted, and you can check that also though. So these are my two email addresses inserted, and if I were to delete the first one, to remove the first editor, so let's do that. You see this notification, the email has been successfully removed, and if we check, we see that there remains only one editor, and also I can delete the second one. We will get the same result. So the both email addresses have been removed. So that means everything works properly. And as you can notice, this the removal or the adding of a new user is done automatically when the column I is edited. So whenever you inserted a new email address or remove an email address, the the list of editor is automatically updated. So it doesn't require, normally it doesn't require a trigger, a timely trigger, but I did that because you asked it. So I also created a timely trigger so that um, when you inserted many or you delete many addresses after 5 minutes, every 5 minutes, the the list of editor is updated based on the the current content of this column, the mail column. So also you have that timely trigger which runs every 5 minutes. So now um, I will show you how to set up the the script for another for a new spreadsheet. So that's why I created this spreadsheet, which I called test sheets, and as you can see now, nothing works for the moment. We just have the content, so nothing works. We have me as the owner and no editor. So I will show you how to set it up for this spreadsheet. So what the steps I will share with you using this spreadsheet is the same thing you will do whenever you want to set up the script to set up the script for a new spreadsheet. So first of all, you go to uh, the spreadsheet you shared with me in which the script currently works, and you go to extensions, then you click on app scripts. That will open the app script editor. Then you'll have to copy the whole script by pressing Ctrl plus A and Ctrl plus C to copy the whole code. Then you go to the new spreadsheet and you do the same thing by clicking on extensions, and you open the app script editor of the new spreadsheet. So once that is done, you delete the content of it and you press Ctrl plus V to paste the code you just copied from the first spreadsheet. So after the code is in the editor, all you need to do is first just save it by clicking on that icon. Then you have to come here and select the first function, create all triggers. Then you run it. So the first time you run a script uh, in the app script editor, it will ask you, Google will ask you some authorization for you to allow the script to run in the spreadsheet. So you follow the steps and you authorize Google to run the script in your spreadsheet. This is the final step. So that's done correctly. So when you run the first function, you'll see this result: trigger created, trigger created. So 2 triggers has been created successfully. Then when you do that, then you know that your app the script is working on your spreadsheet. And to test that, let's check that no editor has been inserted yet. And I will remove this one and I will insert this one. This email address. I should get a message. Let's check. If the triggers has been created. Yeah, they has been created. Okay, let's see what's not working. Okay, let's do it again. Let me just check what's the issue. To do it. Okay, yeah. You need to name the first sheet of the new spreadsheet like this one, like this. So the name you give to the sheet here, that name should be should be present in the script. Okay, I will do it in such a way that when you want to run the script in a specific sheet, you just need to copy the name of the sheet like this, then you will paste it. I will create a variable here called const sheet name. Sheet name. Then here is the name of the sheet, and I will use this variable here whenever like this. Like this. So now when you want to use the script in a new spreadsheet, so as you can notice now, when we didn't specify the name of the spreadsheet in the script, it didn't work. So for instance, if I were to run the script from this sheet of the new spreadsheet, I will use the name of the sheet, which is sheet 2. I will copy this, then I will go to the script, and here the sixth line of the code, I will just change the name of the sheet there. So I hope that you understand that, because the script runs specifically for a certain defined sheet. So when we do that, I think normally everything should be ready to go. Actually, I change everything from the current sheet. Let's do it for the new spreadsheet. Spreadsheet, and I change. Now should have selected everything here like this. And I copy the name here, paste it there. So now it should normally work. So let's do the test once more. Currently the list is empty. I delete this, and as you can see, I have already a notification, but nothing has been deleted because there were no editor. So I will create a new editor, and a new editor has been created. You can see it here, and also the second editor also has been created successfully. And if I delete both, you see that there is no editor because both of them has been deleted. So that shows that everything works properly. And if you want to set up set up the script for a new spreadsheet, you just follow all the steps that are in this small video. I hope it's simple, and don't forget to change the name of the sheet in the code here. Sheet name, you need to change that for the script to work. So I hope that this small video is helpful, and let me know whether or not whether it's clear, and if you have any questions, don't even hesitate to reach out to me. I'm glad to help. Thank you very much, Julian.